The wind howled like a banshee across I-80, deep in frozen Wyoming. It was past 3 a.m., the snow a furious whiteout under my high beams. My rig, the Iron Horse, rumbled, a lonely behemoth carving a path. The world outside, a blurry canvas of white, an icy shroud. Isolation pressed in, heavy as the silence between gusts. My eyelids fought the wiper's hypnotic rhythm, but a prickle on my neck signaled unease deeper than fatigue. Then I saw it. A red flicker, then a sedan on the shoulder, half buried, its taillights barely visible. No hazards, no life, just a dark, forlorn hulk against the furious white. My gut clenched. People don't abandon cars here unless something's gone terribly wrong. As I rumbled past, my headlights caught movement in the rear window, quick as a ghost. A small face? My heart hammered. Common sense screamed, "Keep going!" But another voice, colder than the Wyoming wind, whispered, "What if there's a kid?" The thought twisted my stomach. A frightened child, freezing, alone. The highway code of "mind your own business, plow," felt hollow. My hands tightened on the wheel. My rig, my sanctuary. But leaving a child to this relentless storm? Unthinkable. I wrestled, conscience roaring. The sheer madness of stopping, the danger, a possible ambush, every fear screamed. But that small face, real or imagined, hooked my soul. I had to know. With a heavy sigh and a prayer, I eased the accelerator, wrestling the rig onto the snowy shoulder. The crunch of ice deafened. Killing the engine, silence reigned, save for the wind's shriek. My breath plumed. I grabbed my flashlight, old Colt 45 and thickest jacket. Stepping out was like an ice bath. Wind tore at me, ripping tears. I fought my way back, visibility near zero. The car was locked, windows frosted. I scraped ice. There, huddled on the back seat, barely visible beneath coats, was a small bundle. It stirred. A whimper, a tiny, muffled cry. My blood ran cold, then hot with determination. "Hang on, little one," I murmured, pulling out my tire iron. The window shattered with a sickening crack. That night, no delivery. Instead, I drove to the nearest hospital with a terrified 5-year-old girl wrapped in my blanket, sipping lukewarm coffee. Hypothermic, but alive, miraculously unharmed. Her parents were never found, swallowed by the blizzard, a mystery that still gnaws at me. Sometimes, when the wind howls, I still see her little face, pressed against that frosty window, a chilling reminder of the highway's desolate indifference and the fragile thread of human connection cutting through darkest nights.